no, not yet, not yet, not yet. I'm not ready yet, I'm not ready yet. Okay, now I'm ready. This is the Lian Li V100R. My name is Josh with Master PC Builder. We're gonna be unboxing this PC case, and don't worry, towards the end of the video, we'll take a look at those other two Lian Li V100 cases that are fully built. Let's get this unboxed. Now, let's open this box.
Aside.
Oh, that might be the problem. And there it is, the unboxing of the Lian Li V100R. Let's see what's inside. We're gonna start right here on the top. This is your dust filter, which is very basic. It just snaps right off. You can see that you are able to get a 360 millimeter AIO, which is perfect. One thing that I really do like about these Lian Li cases is the accessory box. Accessory box comes essentially with everything that you need for the motherboard, PSU, SSDs, etc. And not only that, guess what else it comes with? Zip ties. So one thing that I really do want to point out with the Lian Li V100, the standard V100 comes with no fans. However, the V100R comes with 3 reverse fans and 1 standard exhaust fan. And the best part about it is these fans are all daisy chained. So you literally just connect it into one port on the motherboard. However, that brings up an important conversation because this case does not come with an RGB controller. I repeat, it does not come with an RGB controller. So what does that mean? That means you plug it in directly to your motherboard, and from there you adjust the settings to get synchronized RGB across the board. Pun intended. Come check this out. This is your integrated RGB strip that has 26 LEDs. And guess what? You can adjust the colors of this using your motherboard synchronized RGB software. Let's take a look at the front panel. 2 3.0s, your Type-C, your HD audio, your reset, and your power button. We removed this side panel. You can also remove the front panel. Now let's turn the PC case around. This just snaps off. This panel right here does have airflow that can come in through here in an L shape, which is very nice. If you look right here, this would be your L shape. So essentially you're able to get that extra airflow, and the PC is able to breathe with these 3 reverse PC fans. You do also have your PSU dust filter right here at the bottom. Now it's time to take a look at the 2 builds that's using the Lian Li V100R. However, before we do that, did you know that you can customize this case on our website at masterpcbuilds.com? Everything from the CPU to the GPU to the memory. And if you wanted to, you can even get additional storage. Check out our website at masterpcbuilds.com. Now it's time.